Hello everyone, it's Paula here. I am here with a couple of doilies and things bundles that I have available. I was in there cleaning out my dresser and I have like tons of this stuff. So I thought I'd make up two bundles for sale, and they're pretty much similar. Just one has, I'll just call this one the blue one and this one the red one, even though that's just the color of the napkins that are in it. And yeah, I'll just go through one of them, but there is tons of goodness in here. Lots of doilies and just a little bit of linen and a little bit of lace. And there is a few bits in here. Let me go through this one right here for you. I'll just try to go super fast, keep this under 10 minutes. But you get this cute little, it's a handkerchief. You get that. And it comes wrapped up in two of these really cute placemats right here. And this is a yard of this really pretty lace, I guess. There's a whole yard of that. I'm going to try to keep it piled up. There is a chunk of this pretty lace right here. Some appliques off a wedding dress. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these little doilies right here. I'll put those over there. There is, each one has this really pretty stocking inside, and it's an actual stocking. They're so pretty, and I've just never found anything to do with it just yet. So I thought I would just put them in the stacks. They have two of these, I think they're candle holders. They hold the little votive cups, you know. They're actually handmade little candle holder things. Pink and white doily, and then, sorry, of course, my dog, you know. There's a couple of these little pansy, handmade pansies in each one. And this is a piece that I just got tired of cutting up, so I stuck it in here, a whole piece. There is some single ones in here as well that I did cut up for everyone that I'm like, oh, my hands are really tired. So I decided to just leave a piece of it whole in case somebody wanted, you know, a bigger piece. And we have 4 cotton doilies here that can be cut apart. And this is the top of the curtain that I cut up. And it is amazing. It's the trim that, I think it was a curtain. Yeah, it was pretty much, it's a curtain. But it's so pretty. This could be pretty on like as trim on your journals. And this is a doily that I cut up. This is just bits that I had left over after cutting and cutting and cutting. There's some string in here on this thing. I have cut and cut and cut. This was huge, and I cut it up and used it and used it and used it. So I thought I would share that rest of that. There is, let's see, 1, 2, there's 3, 4, 5. There's 6 of these little, well, they're not really little, but they're big doilies, and you can cut these up in different sizes as you wish. This one has a blue doily on it, and I believe it says something. What does that say? A-N-I. I don't know what that says in there. I can't. Well, I don't know. But it can be cut up and used in here. And I think the other one has a pink one and not a blue one. But these are basically the same, only just slightly variation of color. There's a doily there. This little piece here. A couple of these little, whoops, doilies, and I think my phone's under here and I keep touching it. Yes, it is. There's a piece of this pretty lace here. And I don't know how many of these little flowers. They're little pink. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 of them in here. Of those little pink flowers. I'll just move them over here. And then there is this big one that I have cut and cut and cut on and cut these all out. And I just left this piece together. And there's this big doily. It's got a couple like little stains on it, but that doesn't deter me from using it. There's this big old doily here. Put that in there. There is 2 of these little yellow flowers with the leaves. They can be cut apart. Let me see. There is one of these little handmade vintage. This one's got a couple stains on it, and I never washed this one, so there is one of these in each one. And there's just this piece of, I don't remember what this was, just a piece of thin lace here. I think that was a piece of something, I don't know. But there is some bits of this lace here. And some bits, because I was been cutting and cutting and cutting all morning, trying to make up these bundles and going through my drawer. There's a piece of this one. And there is a big old long, oh no, this one is separate. There's this piece. Mostly all cotton pieces in here. There's a few that are not. These are really cool though. And let's see. Oops. Where'd that little guy come from? Anyways, there's one of those. There is, oh, it came from down there. This beautiful piece of applique here off a dress. And this really pretty, it's got some sparkly in it. You can't really see it in the video, but there's sparkles in there. Silver little pretty sparkles. It's super soft. And here is, there's 6, well, counting the other one over there, yeah, there's 6 of these little guys here. And then 1, 2, oh, those are different. So there's these ones, there's 4 of these, 2 on this side and 2 on this side, so there's 4 of those. And there's 6 of these. There's 3 here and 3 here. This one has a little stain on it, but it's still amazing. And then it comes wrapped up in 2 of these. They got this really pretty wheat looking stuff on them. They're, I want to say they're placemats, but they're so thin. I don't know. But they're super pretty, and there's 2 of those, and then you get also a big, I don't know, let's see, 1.5 to 2 yards of this pretty lace here, which I love. And yeah, they're basically the same, just a couple variances, like the couple doilies are a different color, and the handkerchief is a different color as well. And these will be for sale, and whatever else I find I will put in here as well before they go out. And yeah, they are $40 a bundle, free shipping in the US. And I will get them out to you. You can contact me on my Facebook or my Bloom and Sticks Creations or Instagram or any of those places. And I will get them right out to you if you are interested. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day. And my dogs are over here wanting to say goodbye, I guess. Oh, they're such turds. They always have to interrupt my videos, right? I hope you have a wonderful day. Please subscribe, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.